What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had a terrific weekend. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, sitting at 0.041, down 1.3 on the day. Market cap 1.27 billion, 25.91 million. Did really well trading last week. With Gala, we hit all our trades. Nice juicy 176 total profit, 3 trades. And Forex just absolutely killed it. Basically risking 2% per trade, added 7.1 to the account. So as you can see with the account sizes here, nice juicy week. My signals are free. You can gain access at the end of the video. So Gala Games, we never broke the low here, and we pushed back above the 78.6. So if we were able to hold that level, we need more confirmation, like a break of the B wave high for a bullish move. If we roll over, we fail to break that high, that means the correction is going to come much deeper, especially if we break this previous low. Then we could look at a much deeper pullback into the low 3-cent range and potentially 2-cent range. Anything can happen. But as of right now, if we were to break the B wave high, that would give more bullish confirmation. So you can just wait for that confirmation of one of these levels to be broken to give you more direction. But we do have descending triangle on the daily chart. So if that neckline breaks, it's sitting at about 0.0390. That can also be a signal you're going to come lower. It's a possibility. Looking at BTC, we did see a nice little bounce, but Bitcoin still needs to break some key levels to see a straight breakout. And the technical target for that is all the way down at 0.0287 for our friend Gala Games. So just watch these levels, guys. If we push up, we break 0.0527. That's bullish confirmation of pushing up in the wave 3. If we fail to do so, we roll over, and especially if we lose this low, I would expect you to come down and break this low and head down towards potentially filling that wick is definitely a possibility, as this 1-2 structure would be invalidated. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for the United States and Canada. Make your first deposit, then just send me an email if you don't want to go that route. Sign up through the Patreon for 10 bucks a month. Not only do you get crypto trades, which are mostly I'm trading Gala, you also get Forex trade signals completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, 10 bucks a month, sign up through the Patreon. Smash up that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.